In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a to-do list, tracking tasks, or just trying to add some interactive elements to your spreadsheet, checkboxes can be a great tool to utilize. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the details to get started quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in sheets.google.com. Once you're there, you have the choice to open an existing sheet or start a new one from scratch, depending on what you need the checkboxes for. If you prefer starting with clean data, go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. Now it's time to select the cells where you want to insert the checkboxes. You might be wondering which cells would be best suited for this. Well, think about your spreadsheet layout and what makes sense in your context. Perhaps you're tracking things like completed tasks or marking attendance. Simply click and drag your mouse over the cells you wish to use. With the cells selected, let's move on and click on the Insert option in the menu at the top of the page. This menu is versatile and holds a range of options for various elements you might want to insert into your sheet. Among these, we're looking for checkboxes, or, as Google refers to them, tick boxes. Within the drop-down list that appears after clicking Insert, locate and click on the tick box option. Doing so will immediately insert a checkbox into each of the cells you've selected. Voila! You have checkboxes ready to be used. This feature can be particularly useful when you're keeping track of multiple items and want a visual representation of what's done and what's pending. The next step you might want to consider is formatting your sheet a bit further. For example, if you want certain cells to stand out, you could highlight them. Highlighting can be done by revisiting the selection of the relevant cells, then using the formatting options to change background colors or text attributes. This makes the data visually organized and can be helpful when presenting or reviewing the information later. And that's how you insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. By following these simple steps, you'll effortlessly bring interactivity and structure to your spreadsheets, enhancing both their functionality and your productivity. If you have any questions or need more guidance on using Google Sheets, don't hesitate to explore further tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing!